sensibility and practicality define the 2014 Chevrolet Cruze. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, an outside temperature display, and remote keyless entry. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.